Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I explain Tornado investment app review to see with what you're using. So to get started, a quick in-depth review about this platform. Tornado is a stock and ETFs investing app designed to combine trading with educations. It offers a clean, user-friendly interface where you can follow expert portfolios, learn from financial content, and even stimulate trades before using a real money. The app includes features like portfolio optimization, allow commission-free trading with a monthly subscription, making it ideal for users who want to grow their knowledge while investing. But it's not perfect. Some users report bugs during trading, problem linking bank account, and unexpected fee that hurts smaller account. The app customer support is limited by emails or to emails, which can be slow when you need a very fast help. So, while Tornado is great for learning and trying out investing strategies, it may not be the best choice if you need a rock solid performance or fast customer service. And that's it. So let me know in the comment section what you think about this platform. And that's it.